Gathering the facts. Turn to pages 34 through 35 of the atlas, which are going to be on this Google Doc. You're going to read the introduction and look at map B. How big was Alexander's empire? Use that information to complete the sentences below. So if you scroll up, the bulleted information at the very top is your introduction, and you're going to look at map B to answer the fill in the blanks. So letter A. Alexander the Great was the king of blank. He conquered Greece and then the blank empire. Following Alexander's conquests, the cultures of the conquered lands were influenced by blank culture. Letter B. Alexander's empire was about as large as the blank. It included land on 3 continents. You're going to list them in the 3 blanks. His empire stretched from Greece to blank. Again, you're using the introduction and map B to answer those fill in the blanks. People and culture. Look at picture A and read its caption. Then read the history question. How do you show your culture? Use the information to answer the following questions. So you're going to scroll up to picture A, which is right here. You're going to read the caption, and then you're going to read the show your culture to answer the following questions. Letter A. In what city and present-day country was the relief of Alexander the Great found? Letter B. What are some examples of things that make up a culture? Letter C. How is Alexander the Great depicted in this relief? And letter D. Judging from the relief, what kinds of characteristics did Greek culture value?